today I'm going to show you this very innovative Wulcea Graphene Heated Jacket. Yeah, graphene heated jackets, that's not a scam or so. There's a real scientific innovation behind that. I can't explain you the whole science in detail, but it's a very thin layer of carbon in a very special way arranged. But at the very end, we have a very flexible, very durable and highly efficient heating layer. It has more than double the normal heat efficiency compared to traditional heating pads, and it's perfect for outside usage. It's very lightweight, flexible, durable. And so I'm going to show you here what we get in the box, and then I'm going to show you how this is really made, also how comfortable this is and how evenly the heat is distributed within this jacket here. Okay, and so let's open the box. You can see the model here is black and it's in L, and I'm usually wearing an L. So let's see how this fits. And we can also see that it's a premium jacket because we get nice information about the support and also some technical information about what this really is. So let's take it out. And of course we do not only get the jacket, we get also a pocket for safe transportation and a very, very strong power bank, and of course an instructions manual. The power bank has a whopping 16,000 milliamps. That's the highest capacity which I've ever seen in a heating jacket. But the good thing, you don't have to be worried about the charge. We can still normally charge it with standard USB 5 volts. Absolutely awesome looking power bank. Has some kind of a carbon design. Comes even with separate charger, but you actually don't need it. It's using standard USB-A, and so it's the included charging cable. You can charge it pretty much everywhere, even on your computer, and it's even using very modern USB-C. And we are still not done with the awesome features of this power bank, because we can charge it here on the side with USB-C, but not only USB-A to USB-C like most normal power banks. We can also use very modern USB-C to C with PD charge, because it has a built-in PD trigger, and we can also use this cable to use the power of this very strong power bank to charge, for example, your phone, tablet, whatsoever from here. So I'm plugging this cable here inside, connect it to my phone, and start the power bank here on this side with this button. And so you can see the phone is starting to charge. Jacket comes nicely protected. Let's take it out. And so here we have this really nice jacket. You can see very, very functional. And so of course highly recommended to give it a full charge. And then we have to open the zipper here on the left side. We grab this cable, remove the plug protection. And by the way, what we can see here is that we have also a USB-A port, standard USB-A, which means if this power bank should be empty and you have an additional power bank with you, you can use this jacket also with a normal standard USB-A port from another power bank. That's also something which I've never seen before. Of course, we could also use USB-A directly on this power bank, but I think the better solution here is to use the 3.5mm jack. And so I can feel the heat already. Let's put it on. Yeah, wow, that feels absolutely awesome. Not only very hot, but also super comfortable. So the sizing seems to be also a great plus here, because usually I'm wearing an L, and here I have the L, and it's absolutely perfect. It's large enough, but not too large. Still very comfortable. And so I can of course close it here. Yeah, really nice protection also around the neck, and yeah, really super warm around the neck. You can fully close it if needed. You can see have even this additional protection. Nice pockets on the side. Here on top, waterproof pocket. Yeah, definitely a little bit too hot here inside, so I open that a little bit. Very nice hood here in the back, so if needed could also use it like that. And we can even tighten this here on both of the sides. Also very easy to adjust the heating levels here inside. So we have the red here, high heat, then the battery will last 3 hours. Blue means medium heat, 5 hours, and white means the lowest heat, but a whopping 7 hours of heating. So we have really great protection here outside and super warm fleece here at the inside, and we can also tighten the sleeves here on both sides. Zippers work very reliable, as you can hear. Easy to open, easy to close. And I've been scared a little bit at the beginning regarding the 16,000 milliamps battery because it could be too heavy, but there's absolutely no problem. You can see it's really nicely symmetric. Even when I wear it openly, it's not hanging down on the left side or so, absolutely no problem. And there's even some extra space here inside for some documents, credit cards or so. But there is no other pocket, at least not as far as I can see. Just these two pockets here outside and here the one on the top. But usually this should be plenty. And here the whole jacket from the inside. What we also see that is even washable. And we see these 6 different heating pads, and they're really nice, beautiful, warm fleece everywhere. With some of these jackets there are just small pads, but here we have it almost everywhere, even in the hood. By the way, the hood is detachable. And so we get confirmation here about these heating pads with this infrared thermometer. Dual heating pad on the left side, dual pad towards the middle, dual here on the other side, also one out here, also dual pad on the upper back, and the 2 heat areas in the neck area. And there's definitely a lot of heat. You can see maximum around 143 degrees Fahrenheit already from here, while not even pushing on the pad. Or when we go a little bit closer, even warmer. Here we can see a whopping 174 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, definitely super, super warm. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Doesn't get much better than that. So I would say full recommendation from my side. So you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.